brand clarity in the age of AI is our most important tool. And I know we hear this all the time. In fact, I heard it a number of times in the presentations. You got to be clear about your who. You got to be clear about your who. But people, we don't do it. We don't do it. You get introduced to someone and we immediately start talking about our how we do this, or we talk about too many things. So I want to give you a formula. It's actually a little homework assignment that I promise will help you get more conversations. The goal of a brand statement is to get conversations and to understand that it is in conversation that conversion happens. Conversion happens in a conversation. The question is, how do you get to talk to someone? So the first thing we need to do is write a list of your who. So I would be women business owners, entrepreneurs, baby boomers, small business owners. So write your list of who. Then I want you to write a list of what they want. What do they want? Then I want you to write a list of what outcomes will they get by working with you. And the goal is to create a 12 to 15 word sentence. And that's your intro. And that's how you go to networking meetings. So for an example, my brand statement is, I work with, let's pick entrepreneurs for today, who want, I say, to know what to say and do to build a business. So if I was at a networking meeting, my name is Shelly. I don't introduce myself by title, awards, certifications. My name is Shelly. I work with small business owners who want to know what to say and do. That's what they want. Outcome, to grow a business. I really support a 12 to 15 word sentence that is going to get you to be able to have conversations and open doors. 12 to 15 words. Write it down. Try it at your next conversation or your next networking.